We'll guide you through how to turn off read receipts on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on messages on an iPhone. And so when read receipts are turned on, people are going to be able to go and know when you've gone and read the message they've gone and sent you and you've opened it up. This can be annoying because then people can go and expect a reply once you've gone and read it. So what we can do is go and turn this off and disable it. And then people are not going to be able to go and tell when you've gone and read their message. It will just go and stay as delivered. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything. You can come out of messages like so, and then you want to go and open up settings. In settings, you have to go and scroll all the way down, find the option for apps. Then what we need to do is go and scroll down. And we need to go and find the option for messages. As you can see here it is. And what you can then do is go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for send read receipts. What you can do is go and turn this off, as when this is on, people are notified when you have read their message. So we can go and turn it off, and that's it. Now people are not going to be able to go and see when you've gone and read their message. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.